I'm going to teach you how to use the text join function in Excel in just 2 minutes. If you need to join multiple text values into a single string with a specified delimiter, the text join function is what you need. Let's get started. Here, we have a table with first names, middle names, and last names in columns B, C, and D. We'll use the text join function to combine these names into a single string. To get started, let's begin by entering the text join command. The text join function takes 3 main parameters. The first parameter we will enter is the delimiter. This is a string that will be inserted between each text value. Most commonly, you would use a delimiter such as a comma or space character. In this tutorial, we will use a comma. So type equals text join and a comma between quotes. The second parameter determines whether empty values are ignored. Enter true to ignore empty values or false to include them. For this example, we will enter true so that empty values are ignored. The next parameters are the text strings you wish to join together. You can either enter the cell references one by one, separated by commas, or simply select a range of cells. In this example, we want to join the values from columns B to D for the first row. So, we'll select the range B2 to D2. The complete formula looks like this: equals text join, a comma between quotes, comma true, comma B2 to D2. Press enter, and you should see the combined text in cell E2. Now, what if you want to apply this function to the rest of the rows? This can be done easily with a single click. But before we continue, if you want to become an Excel master, I'm giving away my $397 beginner to expert Excel course for free to all my subscribers. All you need to do is subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment "I want the course" below. I'll send you a personal link to download it for free. Now let's continue. To apply this function to the rest of the rows, simply double-click the green square in the bottom right corner of cell E2, and Excel will automatically adjust the formula for each row, combining the names from columns B to D. And that's how it works.